Hey guys, welcome to how to solve the third layer of a Rubik's Cube. First of all, I want to get started off by telling you how to make the yellow cross, just like the white cross on the bottom, but this is more crucial. So you can have a couple scenarios where you have one yellow in the center. You could have a yellow L, just like this, or you could have a line, it could be either way, or you could have a cross, which is what you want. So here is the algorithm for solving it. So if you have, say, a dot, which I can't get, you're gonna do this. You're gonna do this, and then repeat that algorithm. So if you do it slowly, it's down just like this, and that'll do that. And you keep repeating that until you get the yellow cross. Then you want to solve the edges of the yellow cross just like this. You want to make this shape you're seeing right here for all the edges. So you're going to turn the cube until you find two edges that match, because you only need two. There's another scenario, but that is not very common, so there's no point in really teaching it. So here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to repeat this out. You're going to do this algorithm supposedly only once if you have this. And you're going to make sure you have the two of these unsolved pieces and have the one on the right facing you. Then you're going to start on the right, up, sideways, down, sideways, up, sideways, sideways, down, sideways. That solves them. So then you're going to look at the corners and determine if they're right. By saying that, that means if you look at a corner here that does not match with these or this, you're going to say the colors on this corner are yellow, orange, and blue. Now, then you want to look at the colors surrounding it. This is going to be yellow, red, and blue. That means this corner is wrong. So by looking at this, I can tell you this is wrong. By looking at this, I can tell you it's wrong. But this, as you can see, is right. So what you're going to do is put it in the top right. Then you're going to repeat the dodge algorithm. Sideways, up, sideways, up. Basically, you're dodging to a direction, like dodge left, down, dodge right, down. That is why it's called the dodge algorithm. So all the other corners are still going to be wrong. And if they are, you can just repeat it again, just like this, until you have the right corners, like red, blue, and yellow, red, blue, and yellow, orange, yellow, and blue, orange, yellow, and blue. Perfect. Now, it doesn't matter if you have three corners that are turned wrong, or all four, two, or if one, then you know you messed up and you need to twist that corner in the right place, because clearly that has been tampered with. But after you have these, you want to put it upside down. Make sure those two corners that are in the right position are facing you on the bottom. So you're going to want to repeat this algorithm. It's like up, sideways, down, sideways, up, sideways, down, sideways. And you want to keep doing that. Make sure that you do it right, because if you don't, it'll mess up. Make sure you keep doing that until the yellow is on the bottom. And once it is, you're going to turn it until there's the next yellow corner is ready to be turned. And you're going to repeat that algorithm until the yellow is on the bottom. Just like that. And once you do, you're going to turn that face until it is perfect. And that is what I like to call a solved cube.